guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be using the Garnier Micellar Foaming Cleanser and a fluffy makeup brush. You can use any foaming cleanser that is for the face that has no oil in it, or a specific foaming cleanser that is for lash extensions. So now that I'm at my sink, I'm going to take 1 to 2 pumps on my hand, and make sure your hands are clean for this. I'm going to take the brush and put a little bit of water and swirl it in my hand until it becomes a foam. So now I'm going to brush back and forth on my lash line to really make sure I clean the lashes and my lash line. If you're wearing any makeup, you want to remove that with a non-oil makeup remover first before doing this. You can also take a mascara wand and brush through the lashes with the cleanser. So then you want to rinse it with water until you get all the cleanser off. I'm doing this in my bedroom with a bucket of water to film this, so it was really hard. And now taking a towel, I'm just going to pat my eye to dry it very gently because I don't want to squish the lash extensions. So now taking a mascara wand, and I have this mini fan, or you can blow dry it on cold air using a blow dryer. You can go and blow dry it, or also you can let it air dry, and then you want to brush it out with a mascara wand to make sure all the fans look nice and open. You can go on top to brush it out too. And that's it, guys. So you want to do this every day for your lash extensions to help better retention. And that concludes my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!